Hey travelers, welcome back to Allred Travel. If you're thinking about planning a trip to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland, but feel overwhelmed with all the details, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to plan the perfect Disneyland trip step by step. It's like having a personal travel assistant right at your fingertips. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about setting the stage for your trip. Tell ChatGPT your travel dates, budget, and who's going with you. This way, ChatGPT can customize the recommendations. For example, you might say something like, I'm planning a trip to Disneyland in June with my family, and we have a budget of $3,000 for 3 days. We want to focus on rides, shows, and finding great places to eat. With this info, ChatGPT can start tailoring the perfect Disneyland experience for you. Next, ask ChatGPT to help you build a daily plan. Whether you want to start your day with Space Mountain or explore Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge, ChatGPT can craft an itinerary to make the most of each day. Here's an example prompt. Can you create a 3-day itinerary for Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, with time for parades and dining? Just like that, ChatGPT will suggest a detailed plan, from must-do rides to where to watch the parade and the best time to snag a churro. Not sure where to stay? ChatGPT can help with that too. Whether you're looking for a hotel within walking distance or want to save by staying a bit further away, ChatGPT has suggestions for every budget. Try asking, what are the best hotels near Disneyland for families with young kids? ChatGPT might recommend Disney's Grand Californian for direct park access or more budget-friendly options nearby. It can even suggest transportation options like shuttle services or if you should rent a car. Want to avoid those long lines? ChatGPT can explain how to use the Lightning Lane Multi-Pass, which replaced the old Genie Plus service, and the Lightning Lane Single Pass for those must-do rides. Just ask, how should I use the Lightning Lane Multi-Pass at Disneyland to avoid long waits? ChatGPT will give you a rundown of which rides to prioritize, like Indiana Jones Adventure or Web Slingers, and when to use your multi-pass for the biggest time savers. That way, you can focus more on fun and less on waiting. Food is a huge part of the Disneyland experience, from classic treats to sit-down meals. ChatGPT can suggest where to eat and even help you time your dining reservations. A great prompt might be, can you suggest some good table service and quick service restaurants in Disneyland? ChatGPT might suggest grabbing breakfast at Plaza Inn, lunch at Blue Bayou, and dinner at Lamplight Lounge in Disney California Adventure. And don't forget to ask about those must-try snacks like Dole Whip and Mickey beignets. If you're celebrating something special or want a unique experience, ChatGPT can help you plan that too. From character dining to after-hours events, ChatGPT can make your trip truly magical. For example, ask, what special events or experiences should I book for a family trip to Disneyland? ChatGPT can suggest things like character breakfast at Goofy's Kitchen, or it might recommend the best spots to watch the fireworks or the Fantasmic show. You'll get tips on everything you need to make your trip unforgettable. Next, don't forget to ask ChatGPT what to pack for your Disneyland adventure. It's especially important to pack smart when visiting in the summer. A good prompt might be, what should I pack for a 3-day trip to Disneyland in June? ChatGPT will remind you to pack essentials like comfortable shoes, sunscreen, a portable charger, and maybe even a cooling towel for those hot afternoons. It's all about keeping you prepared. Even when you're already on your trip, you can ask ChatGPT for quick tips, like the best times to visit Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, or how to make the most of Disneyland's early entry. Here's an example. What's the best time to visit Star Wars Galaxy's Edge without long waits? ChatGPT will give you strategies for avoiding the crowds and making the most of your time in the park. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to plan your next Disneyland vacation. It's like having your own travel agent right in your pocket, ready to help 24/7. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Allred Travel, and drop a comment below with your favorite Disneyland tips. Until next time, safe travels and may your Disneyland trip be filled with magic.
Be strong.